on and talk about another big story of the day. Viewers, there is a fresh twist to crack down on Pak spy ring. A former Pakistani police officer turned YouTuber has emerged as the mastermind. Sources reveal that Jasveer, a YouTuber who was recently arrested from Punjab, is the one who blew the lid off the alleged espionage network involving Nasir Dhillon during his interrogation. Jasveer reportedly told investigators that he was introduced to the ISI officials through Nasir, a former Pakistani cop turned YouTuber, with a growing list of suspicious connections. Among them was Indian YouTuber Jyoti Malhotra, who was arrested on suspicion of spying for Pakistan. Jasveer further claimed that Nasir facilitated contact between Indian YouTubers and a man named Danish, a former official at the Pakistan High Commission, who was later declared persona non grata. It was allegedly Nasir who arranged Jasveer's meeting with Danish. Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast more on this. Tejshri, could you just break it down for our viewers? It seems like, this entire espionage strategy of Pakistan is now getting revealed. How YouTubers were being influenced, were being targeted by Pakistani officials. Explain to us how they were managing this entire network. What has the probe revealed so far?
Well, you see, first of all, let us talk about the latest development where Jasveer Singh has been remanded to 2 days police custody. However, police asked for 7 days custody, but as of now, court has granted 2 days custody where they will interrogate and investigate. But in the initial investigation, what we have come to know that Jasveer Singh, this individual with a follower of with 11 lakh subscribers on his YouTube, he was in touch with Pakistan's police officials who are now YouTubers. But how did they help him? The name of that particular officer is who was also a former sub-inspector, that is Dhillon, Nasir Dhillon, who was the one who helped him to get in touch with Pakistan's ISI, Inter-Service Intelligence, and after that now the former sub-inspector of Pakistan has also become a YouTuber. And also what we are getting to know that this particular individual, Jasveer, who is accused in spying, he also visited Pakistan not just once but thrice, and last he visited in the year 2024. Also he was in touch with Jyoti Malhotra, and then together they contacted the officials over there. Post then they also we have to see that what comes out in the investigation, that what kind of or what sort of information did they reveal or did they pass on to the enemy, because we have been seeing that since the day one after the arrest of Jyoti Malhotra, how the things have been unfolding and how the the cowardly tactics or the dirty tactics of Pakistan are being exposed completely, that how Pakistan deliberately targeted the YouTubers and influenced them to be a part of their this dirty spying game. And on we have been seeing that how then Jyoti Malhotra's videos, pictures came out of she visiting Pakistan with the officials and being there in the party as well. And now this another shocking revelation coming in where Jasveer Singh, another YouTuber, was said to be in touch with Pakistan's police official, and now investigation further will be revealing that what kind of details he must have shared with the enemy, because you see, as far as the ISI is concerned, during Operation Sindoor as well, the officials of ISI tried to steal the documents of India, that what kind of operation.
And now the investigation is underway, so we'll see what comes out next. For now, thank you, Tejshri, for joining us with your inputs on the story.